Head ass gang. Mama Jones, Papa Jones, they the head ass gang. You gotta like and subscribe, and you gon' watch us, man. Go Mama Jones, go Papa Jones, and we ain't watching nothing else, 'cause this who channel we on.
What up, Mama Jones Squad? Welcome to the shenanigans, you guys. And today, Mama Jones is finna get creative. I'm about to get creative, y'all. I'm about to create a stuffed fish. So here I have some cauliflower that I blended up, y'all. So I blended up the cauliflower. I have some spinach, I have butter. Then I have, oh, I ain't cut up my onion, bell pepper, and what is this? Cucumber, y'all. And then I have a seafood mix that I'm also gonna use. So yeah, we finna, let me go and cut up this onion right quick the long ways. And I thought that the bag normally have 4 fish. It has 3. So we finna hook this up. I'm finna hook this up, hook it up. So yeah, I'm finna create this fish, y'all. Since I had in mind one way I was gonna do is just stuff the fish, but now I'm gonna do it. Y'all gonna see. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm finna do. I'm hungry, y'all. All right, so now let's get to see. I have the tropical saison, so I'm gonna add some of this into the butter. I'm gonna add some blackening seasoning into my butter. I'm gonna add some Old Bay. Some seasoned oil. And some onion powder. Some garlic powder. Now we're gonna add a saison pack. Let's see. Okay. Now we're gonna stir it up. So that's the butter. But I'm gonna go on and kinda just layer this pan a little bit with some of this cauliflower, y'all, since okay. Now I'm gonna add a couple, since I got a lot, we're gonna just add a couple bell peppers, a few onions, some of these cucumbers. Okay, now let's get into stuffing it. First, I have to baste my fish. Let's get into it. So we're gonna just get this seasoning on that fish like that, y'all. That butter. Do this side. And I cut slices into the fish. Okay. Let's see, could I split it a little more? Now, let's get our little seafood. Just gonna add a little of this butter onto there. Trying to figure out how I'm gonna do it. So we're just gonna go on to make it easier for me. Come open that cheese for me. Open it. Give me some of the cheese. That's onion powder. I'll do the black and see. Sazon. And let's season out. Some garlic powder. Alright. Now we're gonna whip it up. Then should have got a bigger pan. So this is seafood mixes with, they have oysters, no, they have mussels, octopus, and all that good stuff laid up on there. Oh, I think we should have had a bigger pan. What you think?
You have 2 more fish in there.
Yeah, but I got all my little stuff. Okay, let's stuff him. I'm gonna lay it on top of there. This one. All right. Now, come back with all my little stuff. Mix it up, baby. Make sure that flavor right in here. Some more, baby. Onion powder. Black seasoning. And some Sazon now. Some more garlic powder. Okay, some more cheese. Yeah. All right. a stick of butter on it. Pinch of chicken broth. Now we finna warm this in the microwave. We're gonna get our shells, our clams. And we're gonna put our clams on as well. I'm thinking I should have got another pan. Give me the hot sauce over there, that regular hot sauce. The Tabasco. All right, gang. Now, look at it. We're gonna go and put it in the oven. Let it do its thing. Stay tuned. A red snapper. Let's try. You tried it? Lord. Ooh, I hope this tastes the way it smells. Does it smell good? This is octopus. Okay. Try a little the cauliflower stuffing. Spinach. What you think about it?
Yeah, watch them long.
It is good. But it's different. And it's cucumber. Cucumber good too. Alright, man. Give this video a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. On that.
You see what it go eat, y'all.
Good. Cause I enjoyed it. Little clam. Swamp up. Oh, that hot.
Let me take camera. Y'all better go try this, y'all. Y'all got that recipe, y'all. It's good.
Head ass gang, head ass.